Hi, my name's Tom. I'm going on a cruise this summer, so of course I picked up a giant bucket of 240 plastic ducks. Now, if you've never been on a cruise, you may be saying, what the heck with the ducks, Tom? People on cruises love to do this. It's kind of a kid thing, but adults like to get into it too. And what they do is they go around on cruise ships, big cruise ships, and you hide these little ducks. Now you don't have to hide them. You can put them on little numbers on top of on little railings. You can put them along the floor. You can put them in little nooks and crannies along the way. But these little tiny ducks, and these are nice and plastic. Whoops, there goes one. They're plastic. They're translucent. They look really, really neat. They're kind of pretty. They are neat little ducks. They like the top. This top actually screws on so that you can go ahead and keep them secure in there. There's 240 of these things. Now, what you do is you hide these ducks all over the place, and the kids go find them. They collect ducks all cruise long. So while you and your adult friends are sitting there having a drink or talking about stuff or looking out across the ocean or at the pool or whatever, the kids are often running around all over the place finding ducks or hiding ducks. These are nice because they're small, they're hard, they're colorful, they're easy to go ahead and find. They're a little small for little children, so you don't want to give them to the really small kids, but these are nice and also affordable ducks instead of the great big plastic duck where you're paying a lot more. 240 of these things, they will keep you busy, they will keep your kids busy. They love to hide and find these things. Perfect for cruises, even for Jeep owners. They like the little ducks, that's fine. These are really, really neat and they're highly recommended.